Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you apply for verification into Binance Square as content creator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application and tap to this Binance icon into the top left corner. After going in there, you will get to see this option of more services tab there, and then directly go to information section, and after that select the live option, and after tapping into live option, select your profile by tapping into me button, and after tapping into me, you will get to see this option of verification at very bottom. Tap to verification and it will give this announcement of Anchor application is not open yet. Now, if the server is working correctly and if your region support this feature of Square content creator, then you can tap into this verification and provide required essentials and credentials. Then your account will be verified after submitting the request. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.